A weak body is a symptom. The cause is weak habits, weak mindset, weak systems. In 21 days, you can neurologically rewire what normal feels like. This isn't a workout plan. It's an identity overhaul. Day 1, you're following a program. Day 21, the program is who you are. Neuroscience confirms 21 days is the minimum time for basal ganglia to encode new behaviors as automatic. It's when discipline becomes identity. Each day builds myelin around new neural pathways, making the new you responses faster than the old you impulses. You're not building muscle first. You're building the neural architecture for discipline. First 7 days, install the operating system. Not about intensity, about consistency. Daily minimum: 20 push-ups, 30 squats, 60-second plank. Spread throughout the day if needed. The goal isn't to destroy yourself, it's to prove you can show up daily. You're building the habit of non-negotiable movement. The weights are light, the commitment is heavy. Next 7 days, add progressive resistance. Same exercises, added challenge. Push-ups with feet elevated. Squats holding weight. Plank with shoulder taps. You're teaching your nervous system that hard today becomes normal tomorrow. Each day, add one more rep or slightly harder variation. You're not just getting stronger, you're rewiring your relationship with challenge. Final 7 days. Integrate strength into identity. You're not doing workouts, you're living strong. Incorporate movement into daily tasks. Explosive stand-ups from chairs, carrying groceries with purpose, taking stairs 2 at a time. Your body now craves movement. What was discipline is now desire. The weak version of you is neurologically overwritten. Parallel to movement, the 21-day food reset. Not a diet, a fuel realignment. 3 non-negotiables. 1, protein with every meal, rebuilding material. 2, half-liter water upon waking, neurological hydration. 3, vegetables before processed foods, nutrient density. You're not counting calories, you're upgrading building materials for your new identity. Physical transformation fails without mental rewiring. Daily, 1 intentional discomfort. Cold shower lasts 30 seconds. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Digital sunset 1 hour before bed. These seem unrelated to strength. They're everything. You're teaching your nervous system that discomfort is data, not danger. That's the unstoppable mindset. Day 21 isn't an end. It's a new baseline. Your off days now are what your best days were 3 weeks ago. The program disappears because it's become your nature. You don't need motivation because discipline is automatic. Weakness is now a foreign concept neurologically. You've built systems that outlast feelings. Tomorrow morning begins your rewrite, not with a brutal workout, with 20 push-ups, 30 squats, a 60-second plank. Then protein, water, 1 intentional discomfort. The entire transformation is in the consistency, not the intensity. If you're ready to neurologically overwrite weakness, smash like. It tells the algorithm this builds real transformation. Subscribe and hit notification bell. Daily check-in videos support your 21 days. Your unstoppable version is 21 days of showing up away. Start tomorrow.